Hello, I'm the guy next door, and if I can cook, you can cook too. Today, let's make pepper rice. Firstly, on a hot dry pan, put the peppers in, skin down, to burn it. These peppers taste better when roasted, so make sure you roast both sides well. Push the peppers to the side. Put in the chopped garlics. Oil the pan. Then add some olive oil. This is optional. I just want the fragrance. Add some chili flakes. Grind in some black pepper. Now, time to add in some onions. Pour in the raisins. Now you can see the pan is really hot. Just add in the chicken breast. Now give it a real good stir. When the chicken meat is almost cooked, add in the rice. Sprinkle some salt and sugar according to your taste. Add a dollop of butter. Stir everything evenly. Drizzle in some water so that it's not too dry. Stir, fry, toss. Now if you do not know how to toss, please do not toss. Just a tip, for rice, best to use cooked rice that is chilled overnight. Okay, I think we're almost done here. Now garnish with some Chinese celeries. Oops, some of the celeries are sticking onto my hands. Yay, it's done! Okay, now let's taste the rice. I hope it tastes good. Some pepper. And some chicken. A bigger piece. Good. So, I hope you enjoy pepper rice. If you do, please like and share my video. Please do subscribe to my channel to see what I'm cooking next. See you soon!